How to log in into Tennessee sales tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into Tennessee sales tax account. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. After that, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari. Now search for the Tennessee sales tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, here different websites and links will be appeared on your screen like this. From these different websites, click on the first one that says TNTAP. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page where you need to enter your username and your password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your login details like your username or your password, you can tap on Forgot Username or password option below the login, and if you are a new user you can tap on Create a Logon option. Simply enter all of your valid information and click on login, and with that you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way you can log in into your Tennessee sales tax account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.